Before we go any further, let us introduce you to the world of Wearlon. Wearlon is a coating that has grafted silicone to an epoxy backbone. This grafting has allowed us to achieve the best of both worlds. The non-stick, low surface energy hydrophobic properties, along with being abrasion resistant, having excellent adhesion and anti-corrosive properties, allows this coating to perform in a wide spectrum of applications. Wearlon performs many industrial functions in terms of anti-corrosion, non-stick, and maintenance-friendly applications. Here is a typical use for Wearlon in the industry. The engineer will explain.
Well, okay, it's about a 25-year-old tank, carbon steel construction. It probably 15 years ago had been coated with like a tar coating, which was coming off, corrosion underneath, and chunks were flaking off. They came in and vacuum blasted this all off, cleaned it up, and put the Wearlon on it, and it's been in service about a year, doing a good job for us. Seems to be staying on good, also cleans up very well.
Hydroelectric facilities feel the need for our product as well. Here is some footage of a penstock in Ontario, Canada. Before, after spraying our primer, spraying our Wearlon top coat, and the finished product. The hydroelectric facility has profited by an increase of electrical output, partially due to the help of Wearlon. Another hydroelectric facility in New York, which uses Wearlon on one of their head gates to lower the maintenance time and to prevent zebra mussel attachment. There has been a call for Wearlon in the area of ice phobics, anywhere from roofs of houses to snowplows and even to radio towers. Without Wearlon, many towers must use expensive heating equipment to melt the ice. Normally, the shear force of ice on steel is approximately 200 pounds per square inch, whereas with Wearlon, it is reduced within the range of 10 to 30 pounds per square inch. Wearlon has stepped forward in the control of zebra mussels. Because it has a low VOCs, excellent corrosion resistance and substrate adhesion, and being non-toxic and non-leaching, Wearlon is being implemented in this field. Each mussel spawns 40 to 60,000 eggs a year, and these float as microscopic plankton until they find a secure place to attach. This gives a rise to the problem of water supplies being choked off through intake pipes. With Wearlon, a gentle wipe knocks the zebra mussels away. Barnacles are the menace of the saltwater environment. The barnacle-infested side of this plate is what you see on the bottom of a gel-coated boat which has only been submerged for less than 2 months in salt water. On the other side, different Wearlon formulas were tested, and as you can see, Wearlon is extremely effective. You can notice by how the Wearlon beads up its high contact angle and low surface energy, which is in the range of 22 dyne. This enables the barnacles to fall off as the boat is moving. Research is being performed at the University of Buffalo about Wearlon's uses with zebra mussels and drag reduction. With low surface energy, Wearlon is shown to decrease drag in water, hopefully giving rise to a whole range of benefits such as higher top speed and better miles per gallon in boats. Wearlon's latest venture in the anti-graffiti area. This is a graffiti-covered wall from Schenectady, New York, on which Wearlon was applied. To this day, the Wearlon wall has been successful. To get a close look at how Wearlon reacts to graffiti, we will compare Wearlon to its competitors. Spray paint, pen, and permanent marker were used for these stains. Note how the spray paint wants to bead up and run when sprayed on the Wearlon, thus deterring the vandal. We allowed 30 minutes for the spray paint to dry, and you can see the results for yourself. Yes, Wearlon does seem astonishing on these small test samples, but what about real life where entire buildings are graffitied? Nowadays, very harmful and expensive solvents are used to scour it, and it is very labor intensive. The left section of a cement wall is coated with a leading brand. The right is coated with Wearlon's transparent 711. Corresponding stains were applied. Just by pre-treating the surface with a safe, over-the-counter waterless hand soap, look at the results. Coated samples of the sheetrock, brick, marble, and ceramic tile further illustrate 711's ability. For more information about Wearlon's world of applications, you can contact the Plastic Maritime Corporation at area code 518-587-7624, or you may fax us at area code 518-587-7434. You can also access the Wearlon website at www.wearloncorp.com.